Hi guys! Hello! So today, we're going to a staycation at Charm Residences for the birthday celebration of our Avery and May. Let's go inside! Tara! Come on! Yes! Let's go inside, Yana! So, dito lang siya, Charm Residences. Located po siya along Felix Avenue, Cainta, Rizal. Pagkabas nyo lang dyan, papunta yung Santa Lucia, and then papunta Cainta naman sa right. Okay, so ayan. Si Ariana, pasok na tayo. Sa'yo na. Nag-jeep lang kami kasi taga-Cainta lang kami. And then, nag-puller si Papi para sa mga gamit namin. Ito na. Check tayo dito sa door. Okay, while waiting, ayan, nandito na kami sa lobby ng building. While waiting po sa client to confirm. Kasi parang 11:30 pa lang nandiyan na. So, 12 noon is the check-in time. Ayan, bibibang muna. Maganda yung laki yung space, so hindi na ako. Okay. Here, Yana. Hi, ate. Happy birthday, ate. Birthday, ate. Here we go. Daisy. Get inside, Diana. Oh, come on, get inside na.
So guys, today your best room ever is going to the best room.
Wow, best room offer. A dining. Okay, that's a dining area. And then, where's your room? Tara mo si Mami. There's the first room. Oh, di na.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Yan na. Ayan na. Okay, ayan na. Hello guys. Hello guys, good morning.
Good morning, this is Dentist.
We are here at Charm Residences Tower E. Uwi na si Ana. Check out na si Kami. Parot na si Kami. Happy morning. Have a blessed morning. Charm. Swimming na yan eh. We're going to birthdays. To birthday. O, dito, diretso. Yes. Plus. Ano naman, pipips na. Hindi na ko nakita. Aray na po. Yana, slowly, Yana. Bibi. Shh, there's a car. Bye-bye, Charm.